Okay guys, my name is Lewis. Today I'm going to show you how to use a VST. A VST that has a lot of sounds or a lot of synths in it without cloning, which can cause some problems in recording with latency and popping and crackling. The first thing I'm going to do is let's get this where you can all see it. Let's get us a VST plugin. I'm going to use Orchestra let's go ahead and use that one. And so I can show you guys how to use it. Okay? All right, right here you've got the plugin. And I'm going to hit a key so you can hear it. Channel 1. And it should be a flute. Which it is. Okay, you've got I guess the first thing I'm going to do is let me go ahead and delete this to give us a clean palette. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to channels. I'm going to go to add one. I'm going to go to MIDI output. Now, my version of FL9 is on MIDI channel 5. I just chose that. It could have been 1 through 16 or whatever number I could have picked, but it's on 5. Okay. Now, if you see this window right here, it's got port, it sets 0, channel 1. Now, what I want to do is, since the flute right here is the main automation or the main plugin, and then when I go to MIDI out, this window is going to pop up. But let's go back, and what we're going to do is we're going to hit this little wheel right here. Okay. And what you're doing is you're telling the plugin, hey, I want you to send that information on this numbered MIDI out. Okay, so we're going to set this to 2. It could be 3, it could be 5, it could be whatever it is, as long as it's not the same MIDI channel that FL Studio uses. Okay, then we're going to go back to the wheel. Okay, now when I hit this MIDI out right here, it should be, I'm sorry, let's go ahead and hit that because we have to change the ports here also. Port 2, which was the same on the orchestral, and we're going to use channel 2. So now when I go to MIDI out, it should be the oboe, which is here. Okay? And you'll see the meter come up right here like this. Okay? And if I wanted to add another one, I could do the same thing. I'd go to channels, add one, add a MIDI out, and there's your MIDI out. Now I'm going to go to port 2 again. The port's going to stay the same. The channel is going to change. And it's going to be 3 this time. And let's go to orchestral. And it's the clarinet. Now in this VST, I don't really want to get into how to use the VST, but I'll show you a little bit. You hit that button right there, and it's a clarinet, and you can change this to whatever you like it to be. Like now it's a piccolo and a flute. I could change it to, let's go to brass. I could change it to an orchestral ensemble. You click apply, and then OK, and click where it is, and there you have it. Now this saves a lot of CPU when you're doing huge projects. It's a wonderful tool. In later tutorials, I'll show you how to rewire using these knobs and import other sounds, import other reverbs, any kind of external VSTs or any external devices that you have. These knobs control them. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you can email me at lewisfordii@gmail.com. You guys, please leave a comment, man. I mean, you know, this is something that I like to do, and I just like to know if people are even watching or learning from these tutorials. And thank you very much. Deuces.